my name is Mackenzie and I am the licensed esthetician here at Capizzi MD, and I just kind of wanted to go through my daily skincare routine and just share a little bit of information on the products that we have here at Capizzi MD. So my skin personally is more on the dry side. So today I'm going to be using the ZO Hydrating Cleanser. This cleanser is a cream-like cleanser. It's really rich, so you do want to kind of rub it in your fingers beforehand before applying it to your face, because it is a little bit thicker of a cream. Some other options that we have here at Capizzi MD is if you're more on the oilier side, we do have a exfoliating cleanser that works great for acneic skin, or if you're just feeling more oily in your T-zone. And then if your skin's a little bit more on the sensitive side, we do offer the gentle cleanser, which is a really nice foamy, really just bubbly cleanser that's great for really any skin type. So I'm gonna go ahead and dampen my face here with warm water before we get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And again, we're gonna start with that hydrating cleanser. And as you can see, it's more on the creamier side. So I'm going to go ahead and rub this in with my fingers and kind of just warm up the product on my face. And then I'm just going to go ahead and apply this in circular motions in an upward fashion. And it's important that we also get the neck area when we're cleansing. I know sometimes we tend to forget that area, but we do apply makeup, and this is one of the first areas that tend to age the quickest. So again, we're just going in and really just cleansing here. Again, going in an upward motion, especially on the neck area. Right. And then we're just going to remove the product in an upward motion. And again, this is the hydrating cleanser. It is the ZO line, which is really an amazing line. And the cleanser does have a really nice light grapefruit scent. So it's not an overbearing or a chemical kind of smell that you sometimes get with cleansers. And it just wipes right off. And then next we're going to use the ZO Exfoliating Polish. This is probably our most popular item here at Capizzi MD. It's just a really nice light polish. And I will go ahead and open this up for you guys so you can see. It is blue in color and it has magnesium crystals in it. So this is going to go in and just remove any dead skin. It's going to promote new cell turnover. So this is going to give us that nice glow and to remove any dead skin that we get, especially in the upcoming winter months where we're getting more dry, more flaky. So I'm going to go ahead and get this out. And a little goes a long way. So I'm just using about a little smaller than a dime size. And then again, I'm going to work this in my fingers to kind of heat up the product. And then I'm just gonna go in circular motions and just slough off any dead skin. So this product, you may feel like it a little bit more of a warming sensation, and that is totally fine. but it should never feel uncomfortable. But a little bit warm is great. Okay, and so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this, and then we'll apply our next product.